up fams, live CaityB back in the building with yet another reaction video with MommaB. So we're going to be doing a reaction for you guys today. It's a single reaction and this is called PSA Public Service Announcement by Soel. Soel or Soel? Yeah, I'm not too sure how to say it. But yeah, thank you to those that have requested for us to react to this track. But
subscribe please to Returns of Records.
PolyMovement. Yeah, I'll have the information to the track down in the description box below for you guys to check out. Let's go. Returns of Records back on the track.
It's over.
Is that
Seattle screen reader.
Let this be your formal welcome to my city. Ain't nobody around here fucking with me. I got flows that carry goals. You should know just how it goes. Let it go in a many pose. That's the info you should know. Let this be your formal welcome to my city. Ain't nobody around here fucking with me. I got flows that carry goals. You should know just how it goes. Let it go in a many pose. That's the info you should know. Let this be your formal welcome to my city. Welcome to the cap, no cap. Someone asked them cats for the facts about cats. Here to stack racks on racks. Vacation for 9 years now. Guess who's back? Start a petition, reopen Dolce. Catch me a monkey with trigger spinning, part of the notion. All the commotion, this is causing out in the open. Fly callback, the tribe has spoken. Allegiance broken, the horse is Trojan. Call up Papa, come down from Logan. Quick call to ocean. It's time to put things in motion. With no emotions, all this dope when no one's smoking. I've barely woken. Records broken, guess I'll just go in.
It's got a different style.
Yeah, it's different, like the way
he rhymes all the words. So he was on a break and now he's back again.
9 years break for
vacation, probably having
vacation,
family time. Yeah,
traveling and stuff.
Contact Benny the accountant. Tell him about this money that I'm counting. I'm from the city of the public service, so that must make this a public service announcement. Welcome to my city. Ain't nobody around here fucking with me. I got flows that carry goals. You should know just how it goes. Let it go in a many pose. That's the info you should know. Let this be your formal welcome to my city. Ain't nobody around here fucking with me. I got flows that carry goals.
He dresses really classy, eh?
Yeah.
It's different. It sort of suits the way his flow is. Like, when you flow like that, you'd probably, I'd picture someone looking like dressing as smart casual or something like that. I don't know.
Goes, let it go in a many pose. That's the info you should know. Let this be your formal welcome to from Belco way to down south. From ET Prees to downtown. Cordizas, he knows where to meet us. Link up with the crew, they'll come through with them heaters. Ain't nothing special about it. Can't leave home without it. I got shooters in the distance. Will they miss you? I doubt it. Let this be a friendly warning to the competition. Listen, don't throw shots when your men are missing. Bitches, relevant mentions with no intentions. Quick question, what's with the pressing? With no aggression. Parliament's in session, so call the brethren. Tell them it's time to eat. VIP section. It's the animal kingdom. Contact Benny the accountant. Tell him about this money that I'm counting. I'm from the city of the public service, so that must make this a public service announcement. Welcome to my city.
I thought he had no more from back for a second.
I got flows that carry goals. You should know just how it goes. Let it go in a many pose. That's the info you should know. Let this be your formal welcome to my city. Ain't nobody around here fucking with me. I got flows that carry goals. You should know just how it goes. Let it go in a many pose. That's the info you should know. Let this be your formal welcome to my city.
Damn. Can I just say that the clip was totally different from, I felt like it was totally different from the song. Like, I felt like it didn't really relate or anything.
No. I considered it like he went he's back now. He's doing a PSA. Let people know he's back in the game. Some lines there where he's talking about like he's trying to set things straight with people, but yeah, it suited because see how all the guys in the background are just quiet, just keeping, you know, but he's there, he's the only one talking, no one else rapping.
And then he's in his little office.
So see, what nationality is he?
Yeah.
Because it looked like Fijian all the time.
Yeah. Oh man, I don't know how to feel. What did you think, MommaB?
It's okay. I know, I get his drift. He's back on the scene. Never heard of him before, but apparently it must have a sample beat in there.
Sample, yeah.
Yeah, because
we saw that copyright, yeah.
It's okay. I give it a 6. I'm assuming that his next not a song. I mean, he's coming back. It's just a short and sweet to let people know he's there. We're gonna hit the scenes real soon.
I feel like it was alright. I feel like it didn't grab me. I felt like it didn't grab me as much, but
like this.
it's alright. Yeah, it was alright. Like, yeah, I give it a 6 as well.
The beat was good. I like the beat
was
in
good. Yeah.
Though his style of rapping was different.
It's odd, yeah.
Yeah, but you just need time to get used to it. Just like with all the other unique artists out there. Big ups to
yeah, big ups to Soel and the bro here. But yeah, keep it up, bro. But I hope you guys enjoyed that reaction. Let us know what you guys thought of the track and what you guys thought of our reaction. Make sure you support the bro. I'll have that information to the song in the description box below for you guys to check out.
Yeah. Get subscribed to Returns of Records, please. Yeah. Support the fams out there.
Run them up to 20k subs, fam. Much love, fams. Stay safe and see you on the next video. Bye.